So back again, we're 2015 Outback Legacy. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this taillight out. If you come around this other side, you get these two little plastic screw thingies. One here, one here. This plastic thing needs to come out. There's a clip right here somewhere. There you go. Let to break that. Pull that guy out. And you have two 10s that run here. And right here. Let's remove these two 10s. Kind of just tap it. Taillight comes out. Usually this is, you know, stuck in here, and these tabs are sliding into there. So unplug it. Push this little pin right here. It'll release that. Turn to the left, and you get yourself a taillight.